That's the baby. At night, right after we got done feeding him.
He's awake.
You can see his eyes.
He's awake and looking like he's so confused.
Hey, buddy. You confused? Hi.
Your pretty blue eyes. Showing everybody your pretty blue eyes. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, he just got all burped and fed and all happy.
Yeah, I think he's
Nice
doing
job,
better.
man. He's all done.
2 days old. Huh. 2 days. You're already all big. He's got a sweet round face and a little double chin going. You got a little baby double chin.
Hey, Lindsay, look over here for real quick.
It's a very, very dark. I wonder if they'll lighten up.
Yeah, super
They'll
dark
stay so
blue.
dark.